Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I have written a Python program to find sum of n natural numbers by using while loop. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video link in various social networks which you are going to use, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. Now I will open the Python interpreter by clicking on start and searching in the programs list. So the programs, that is the applications which we have installed. So here Python 3.12, then here in this one IDLE Python 3.1264-bit. Click on that one and interpreter will be opened. Use the shortcut key Ctrl+N to create a new file. So this is what, and script mode. So I'll just adjust the size of this one of the file, that is a script mode. So here first I will write an comment, that is the name of the program, hash Python program to find the sum of n natural numbers. For example, if 5 has been given, you need to calculate the sum of 5 natural numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. If the n value is 3, then you need to calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3. So then we'll start with the program. So this is a comment. So we'll first read the value of n by writing n space equal to space int, open the bracket, input, open the bracket, within a single quotes, enter the value of n, single quotes close, space, single quotes close, bracket close, again bracket close. So this particular statement will reading a value, and that value will be an integer value. For that purpose we have written int, which will be converting that one into an integer. Then afterwards we require a looping variable. For that purpose I take I and initialize the value as I equal to 1. Then to store the sum value, I will take a variable as sum and I initialize the value as 0. Press enter. Now we'll write the loop while I less than equal to n, then write colon, press enter. Observe the indentation space. Now you are inside the loop. So here we calculate the sum by writing sum space equal to sum space plus I, press enter. Now you have to increment the value of I. For that purpose you have to write I equal to I plus 1, press enter. So it will be iterating for n number of times. After that the sum will be calculated. To display the sum you need to write that one outside the loop. So you have to press the backspace. Now you are outside the while loop. Here you write print, open the bracket, within a single quote, sum of, single quotes close, comma, n, comma, within a single quote, natural numbers, sum of n natural numbers. That means it will display the value of n. Sum of n natural numbers equal to, single quotes close, comma, sum, close the bracket. So this will be displaying the sum of n value, it will display, then it will display natural numbers is equal to, then it will display the value of sum. Now I will save the program by using the shortcut key Ctrl+S. So here we'll save the program as NAT sum. That means natural numbers sum. Press enter. So now the program has been saved. To run the program, use the shortcut key F5. So it is showing invalid syntax. Perhaps you forgot a comma. So here after numbers equal to single quotes, I have missed the comma. For that purpose it is showing a error right here, comma. Okay. So where here I have missed the comma. So just write the comma over there. Then again save Control S. It will be saved with the same file only. Press F5. So now it asks the value of n, give the value as 3. So what should be the output? Sum of 3 is equal to 6 because 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So it displays sum of 3 natural numbers equal to 6. Again to run. So just to get another output, come to the script mode, press F5. Now I'll give the value as 5. So it will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So now you can see sum of 5 natural numbers is equal to 15. If you want another one output, come to the script mode, press F5, we'll give the value as 10. So now the output will be 55. Okay, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to 10. So how we get this particular output, I will explain for this one. When we enter the value of n as 3, the output should be 6. So I'll explain that one. So here I will consider first the value of n equal to 3. Then the I value as 1, which is the initialization, this one. Okay. Then some value as 0. That is also an initialization. Right. So whereas I is equal to 1, it is for the purpose of looping, and sum equal to 0, it is for the purpose of calculating the sum, to store the sum value. So first, this condition, while I is less than n. So I'll copy the whole thing for the purpose of explanation and I'll paste here. So here, while I is less than or equal to n. So what is the value of I? 1. Less than equal to n value is 3. That means the condition becomes true. So here, sum equal to sum plus I. So what is the value of sum initially? It is 0. Right, this one. 0 plus I. What is the value of I? 1. It is initially, which we have taken here. So 0 plus 1 will be equal to 1. That means the sum value now becomes 1. So here the sum value will be 1. Next, I is equal to I plus 1. So what is the value of I? 1. So 1 plus 1 will be equal to 2. That means the value of I, now it will be equal to 2. Next, again this one. Okay, I'll copy and I'll paste while. Now the value of I is how much? 2. Less than or equal to n. The value of n is 3. The condition becomes true. It will come inside. Sum equal to sum plus I. So what is the value of sum now? 1. And what is the value of I? It is 2. So 1 plus 2 will be equal to 3. Next, I is equal to I plus 1. What is the value of I now? It was 2. So it is 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 will be equal to 3. That means now the sum value is 3 and the I value is 3. Now again I will consider this while loop. Now, so what is the value of I now? It is 3. Less than or equal to n. What is the value of n? 3. So 3 is less than or equal to 3. Condition becomes true. It will enter sum equal to sum plus I. What is the value of sum? So sum value just we have calculated, it is 3. And what is the I value? You know it is an 3. This one. So 3 plus 3 will be equal to 6. Next, I is equal to I plus 1. What is the value of I? It is 3. So 3 plus 1 will be equal to 4. So sum value is now how much? 6. And I value is now 4. Again we check the condition. That is, I will write the loop there. While I is less than or equal to n. What is the value of I? 4. And what is the value of n? 3. 4 is less than or equal to 3. Condition becomes false. So it comes outside the loop here. Print sum of. So therefore first it will display sum of Then after that, n. What is the value of n I have considered? 3. Right. So it will display sum of 3. Then I have written comma natural numbers. So that will be displayed as it is, natural numbers equal to. So whatever I have written in the single quotes, that will be displayed as it is, comma. That means one space. After that, it will display the value of sum. So what is the value of sum now? The sum value is this one. That is what? 6. So it will display as 6. That is, the sum of 3 natural numbers is equal to 6. In this way, the program will be executed. So this is an program to find the sum of n natural numbers by using while loop. Sum of n natural numbers by using while loop in a Python programming language. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video link in various social networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.